What is up, guys? So I am making, so this is my regular blade, or my regular butterfly knife. Right here, I tried making it last night, but this is my my trainer, basically. It's my trainer. One piece came out, so I have all these pieces right here that I'm gonna add. All these pieces that I'm gonna add to my trainer right here. These I'm gonna add to my trainer, and yeah. So that's today's video. And before I do it, I'm gonna show you a little bit of me. I'm tightening the screws when I'm trying to use it, but I'm gonna show y'all using my regular one because you haven't really seen it. There we go.
Did you get the muffin and not finish it? Did you get the muffin and not finish it?
Yeah, why?
Well, why do you grab? We won't go finish it.
Why does it matter?
Because I could have ate it tomorrow.
Yeah, trash.
If you was the one who ate the muffin and didn't finish it and threw it away. You know you trash. You know you're supposed to do tricks with it.
I know, but like, I'm gonna put longer screws in them so they can last longer because they keep falling out the longer I keep doing them. I'm trying to make my trainer one though. Alright, for this one, I have a curved blade, but I'm gonna use this curved blade because it's a lot better. So I'm just going to be building this. Alright, set y'all up right here. There you go. And I will just be building it. So I'm going to start with the blade and then go to the handle. Oh, by the way, guys, the longer the screws are in the blade, like, longer the screws are for the handles, the longer they'll last. Because these things, like, the bolts, they unscrew, like, the more you do it. So if you do it less than regular, then they're not going to unscrew. So these are my bases facings. Hold up. Yeah, I'm going to add longer screws to all of these. Really long screws. It's gonna be so long. I'm like, why did you need them that long? Just me, if you're making homemade ones, then yeah, do it this long. Alright. So my handle's right here. What I'm gonna add? I'm gonna try and add these right here. So let's see how I want to add them. Could add them like this. Yeah, that'd probably be good. Are these bolts long enough right here? Let's see, are these long enough? Nope, I need long bolts. I'm going to go get some longer bolts. This is the box everything came in. I have some more stuff in there that I didn't think I would need, but apparently I need it, so. I got all this stuff over here, you know what I mean. get that word shot. These things are empty because I used a lot of stuff, guys. I used a lot of stuff. And they're mixed matched. I don't know. They're supposed to be equal, but they're not the original. And these, I need 4 of these. Well, my trainer isn't gonna have as long bolts. I'm just gonna use these bolts for my trainer and these bolts for my regular one. And this one, it doesn't last as long because it's flat right here. It's flat on the end. So yeah, I'll just get a couple of those. Alright, that should be enough. These are the long ones. And with these are the long ones. Well, there we go. I need 2 of those. Okay. Like that. Actually, I can need those. Actually. Or my trainer. Where is the trainer? Is she long enough? Dang, it's not long enough. Frick, then what? Which one is long enough then? Oh, guys, got a new haircut. And which one's long enough? Oh, I found another one of these long ones. No, black one. These are just the meter right now. Let's go. Found it. Okay. So I will put these on and attach these back parts. Perfect. Oh, that's a good handle too. Ooh, that's a good feel. Depending on which one I like better, I will use as my regular one and my trainer. So there's a possibility that this one is going to be my regular one because it has a big base. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, look at this. Compared to my other one, this is like 3 things, and it's already this big. But then my other one's like 6, and it's like that big. Like, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Like, come on, bro. Here we go. Maybe like that. I need to twist the tight of this thing right here. I need to put that in. It's really hard work doing this without an extra pair of hands. But, you know, can't always do everything with somebody else. This is as tight as this thing will let me. There you go. Bam. And pretty good. Alright, on to the next one. So, gonna mess this one up actually. I want him to be on the outside, not the inside. Just woke up, guys. Well, not just woke up, but like, just got up. I've been up, but I just got up. Might be a semi-long video. When I learn how to do some tricks on these, then I'll like make another video on some tricks. So let me know, guys, if you want more videos on these, cause I have to use my own until I get a real one. But I'm getting a real one too, guys. Real one soon, like probably less than a month. Probably for my birthday, which is in less than a month. So yeah. I don't know if I need that. There we go. No, we need one at the top. That's 4 volts. There we go. Super tight. It's like really, really tight. Actually, I think I might loosen it a little bit. Oh, too tight. There we go. I'm gonna go straight up, not freaking bending backwards. Bro, it's not supposed to be bending backwards. It's supposed to be going like the back one's not supposed to be bending backwards. Here comes the tough part. Actually screwing this part in. There we go. These ears are tight. Insides. Alright, and just like these, I kinda wanna go for a design. Like you see these clear, like yellow neon type things. I have these, but they're blue, they're not neon. And I'm thinking, should I put it on? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on. Put it right in the middle of these. Hold up. I wanna see if I can just use these blue things right here. No, it won't be long enough. I'm just gonna need one semi-long screw. There we go. Actually, I can't do that. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Here's back over here. I wanna test this out right here. Cause it seems pretty good actually. So these right here from Adrenas, if you didn't know. I might switch them out if I like the other ones better though. So, I need a triangle piece. By the way, for my trainer, I'm also gonna have a curved blade, so I could switch out and have a curved blade on my regular one, but I feel like I need to train with the curved blade because I'm doing fine on the other ones, but the curved blade, so where's that? Like, that's where struggles are at.
What?
Yesterday can be really loose, by the way, so. Actually, the bolts are really tight on this. It's a lot of moving on, so I think this method actually is better. We'll see. Let's see. This one for the outward style. Was the outward style. So these two things right here on the inside and not on the outside. I was thinking about doing them on the outside, but I'm like, no. Yes. Did you wash these pots? What pot? Come look, Jaden. I'll be back. Right, so about that, had to go do something. Don't know. Don't think this is actually good. Don't get feeling about it. So I'm actually gonna unscrew these and add something that's you're supposed to put on these screws before you actually like put on that thing. And it should make it like really easy. So it's like really movable, but like still tight. I don't even know if I need these here. Still gonna put it on for extra support though. But yeah, that's better. I think these black screws are actually the best screws to do it. Yeah, so it's not going like this. It's just like straight up just like this. It's still really loose. But it's a lot better like this. Let me test that trainer. I feel like the trainer is a really good design, but I still feel like the other one's better. And it took a lot more time. Like, I only had to put a few pieces on this rather than freaking putting on my whole collection on the other thing. Like, I put all this time and effort. And this one is so, I even cut some pieces, bro. I cut some pieces just to have it perfect. So that's definitely not going to be my trainer. This is definitely going to be my trainer. This is like not so tight that it's like it comes off. Like, look at that. I like how smooth that is, but then it doesn't even go out. Like, come on, bro. Nothing can beat this, man. I mean, the other ones you have to loosen up the screws and then like. Actually, I'm gonna try these screws on my other one now. Instead of putting on the really long screws, I'm just gonna try one of these. See, look at this. It's that it's really loose. Yeah, it's really loose. Like, honestly, my trainer isn't the best. In the conclusion, not gonna use the trainer. The trainer is just for the handles. I can practice tricks on the handles. So I'm not gonna put a blade on it though. Alright. So I'll put my trainer back in my little box where I put all my stuff. It's basically my carry box type thing. I will use that box to carry around all my stuff. And the thing I like about the box, even though I have inside, like, it mainly doesn't come out unless I turn it to come out. It did come out. Alright. Take these tiny screws out. There you go. Honestly, I can just take these. It's still this part, but it doesn't have any tips. Like, yeah, this is definitely big. Yeah. And it also puts it out somewhere. So it's not like touching. Like, yeah, this is probably the best design I've made yet. It's all because of the other one, but still, this is like the best design yet. I can tighten this all the way. This part still moves. Oh, God, this one. Oh, it's really that way. Please. Country. It's not even coming up. Yeah, best design yet. those like gel type things. Because those gel things are the reasons why I do not have to unscrew at all. And it still gives a little bit of resistance, which is not like shit. It's flying over. Do I even have any of those gel pieces? Don't tell me I don't have another one. I don't even think I have one. Hold on, I'll check in here. So sorry about that, guys, but can't find one of those gel pieces. Don't tell me I don't have another one of those pieces. I have no idea. I don't think I have another one of those gel pieces. If this piece, but hold on. I know you can see the piece. Yeah. I have this piece. I don't know if it worked though. It's a little bit too big. It's way too big actually. Yeah, it's way too big. I need a gel piece. No, I don't have a gel piece in this hole. And there's no other time. I never used a single gel piece ever before this. There's no reason for me not to have gel piece. Where is the gel piece? Can I use that? No. That's the problem. I don't think I have another one of these gel pieces. That is a big problem. Hold on, I'm gonna juice. Some investigating mayo for gel pieces. I have balls and stuff everywhere in here. Trial and error. So I have all these pieces. When did I have two gel pieces? There's so many gel pieces that came in the package. How is there not one? Hold up. The one down here. No, none down here. a gel piece. I'm just gonna try it without gel piece. But if I can't do it without the gel piece, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. I feel like I can just take one off my trainer because my trainer or they do. Sorry, trainer, but gotta take a gel piece from your trainer. Sorry about that camera angle. Just gotta take a gel piece from my other one. My trainer. Thank you, trainer, for being a good boy. There we go. Still mad because I did want one on my trainer, but I'd rather have it on my regular one, not my trainer. Oh, frick, I put the screw back. Yeah, the screw. Where did I put that screw? Did I lose a screw? Man. Oh, God. I lost a screw too? Guess I'll take a screw from the trainer too. Also. I can't find nothing, right? Hey. This thing, my freaking trainer got me backed up. Trainer. I would have been so mad, and this video would have been uploaded. So, all the time that I spent on this video, like 30 minutes, would just all be wasted time if I didn't have it on my trainer. Well, technically, if I didn't have it on my trainer, I would have never done this thing at all. So, actually, the video still would have been uploaded. Unless I didn't have the pieces. I didn't have enough pieces. There we go. Look at that. Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Really smooth. Yeah, I'm trying to learn tricks. But right now, I'm gonna wait till I get my real one to actually start learning tricks though. Ew. Sorry, I was just thinking of the title. You already know the title. Oh, I don't yet. Probably gonna be like some sort of, I made my own butterfly knife / review. Because there will be a review. Yeah, I will be reviewing it. Alright guys, so if you are trying to get a butterfly knife but you can't get one yet, and you have to make your own, if you have Erector Meccano, or just one of these sets where you have like a whole bunch of screws and bolts and stuff and like a whole bunch of parts like this. Then I advise you try and make one. Make your own. I mean, I did get this first try, but it started off as 3 poles stuck to one of these triangle pieces, right? This triangle piece, so. But it did turn into this. I just kept adding and adding, and it turned into this stuff. This is me right now. This is the only trick I can do. And if you guys, you probably didn't know. Yeah, you didn't know. But what you don't know is that I didn't start with that. This is what made me want to get a butterfly knife. I think. This is the weirdest story. So I always thought I'd be so good at butterfly knives because I could just do this all day. I could just do this. I thought butterfly knife, oh, that's gonna be easy. Just put your fingers in the air, twist the knife, and bam, the butterfly knife. As many times I do that, I can keep it going for a little bit, but then I end up like messing up. It's just, it ends up falling every time. This little thing right here. By the way, guys, Fortnite coming up later today. So, yes, Fortnite later today. The big behind shine. I used to send pictures because you don't show your back in pictures, so that's the thing. Like, you only show your back, so they don't know. Like, it's not really just a regular chain. They don't know that it's not a chain that I bought. And oh, I forgot to put on my pillow. But I got stuff on it already. So yeah. Didn't even like that was freaking motorcycle to the gym. Oh, that's a scooter. That's a freaking scooter. Most recent photo shoot was actually yesterday. I had on this right here. I had on this shit, these pants. I had on this watches. I didn't have one. I was just like this. I was like, yeah, and I just got a haircut like 2-3 days ago. So, yeah, dude. It's not no fake one. Hold up. It says Geneva. Don't know how to really say it, but it's a pretty good watch. Hold on, let me see if I can. Oh, yeah, well. Pretty good watch. Really good for telling time and watch. Both of the time, like, most watch, I don't really like the watch. Like, if you're trying to get a designer watch, bruh, don't get one of them ones that, like, tells you the exact time, like, the numbers. Get one of these, the one that had, like, the thing gonna rotate. Closer, get more graphical. Hey, got that record. Yeah, that is right here. I advise you get one of these. Like, I advise you get one of these packs and just do something with it. Yeah. Get a pack and do something with it. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, guys, so, if you didn't know, cars in Fortnite are coming soon. Very, very soon. And you can upload on that, like, as soon as I figure out they're up, or as soon as I can play when they're up, freaking driving cars around, man. They get it. Yeah. So my trainer isn't a trainer. I was thinking about making this like a trainer video where I put on my trainer. I show off my new trainer. But no. See, who I am. I want to see. This is like a clip type thing. I actually want to put these clips on, I guess. This thing actually hurts. Oh, that hurts. No, it's some real knife, but it still hurts. Pretty bad. Here I am, here I am, here I am. Now, guys, just so you know, if you're going to pick up a butterfly knife, some countries and places, some countries don't actually allow the sharp, like the bleeding one. So if you're going to get one, do some research, because a lot of countries only let you get trainer ones, which are the ones with an edge that doesn't cut you. That's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a trainer, but in my country, you are allowed to get one with the actual blade, so I will get the one with a blade. Brother, guys, if y'all live in America like me, then you can use one with real blades. Also, like somewhere in like Japanese or Chinese or something like that, you can use real blades. No. I don't really know. Just research it out or something if you're trying to get one. I advise, if you're going to start with one and you don't have the money to get a real one, like a real one, actual metal one, try and get one of these and make your own, alright? But if you are going to make your own, just saying, this pack actually costs more than a real one. Like, go on Amazon or something, and these things will be, the pack is going to be a lot more expensive than this stuff, but and it's just worth it if you want to just like only do this if you already have it. There's also some Lego guides. I have Legos that I was trying to make them with a Lego, but I couldn't because, you know, I don't have the pieces. Because apparently my Lego set that has the right pieces are not here. It's not here, so don't have it. But yeah, so if you want me to make more videos on this, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. Comment down below more butterfly knives, and I will make some more. I'm trying to make this video like an hour long, so I can play the game. So I can play Fortnite. It's a Madden. It's a Madden. It's on Minecraft. It's on Minecraft. Well, like, guys, read me. I just started yesterday. Well, today's like, I just started last night. I did it for like an hour or two last night, and then I put it up. I got my casing for it already. I'm set right now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the case. I'm going to make another trainer. Hopefully the next trainer actually goes good. If I make another one of these videos, it's definitely going to be with the trainer in it, because I'm going to try my hardest to make a trainer. Yeah. Oh, I need to tighten the blade. That's why. It's been acting so strange all video. I'm like, why is this blade going everywhere? Yeah, that's definitely why. My freaking blade is out here freaking loose. Yeah, you're gonna have to tighten and untighten a lot of your stuff when you're working with these. Hey guys, go follow my TikTok at all lowercase EXOJAY0723. It's also my Xbox name. Also follow me on Xbox. It's the E and the J are capital. And instead of numbers, there's no numbers. It's just capital EXO, capital JAY. Yeah. By the way, guys, I'm going to be, basically, I'm going to put my phone number out there, and I want y'all to text me video ideas. So if y'all are watching this on a phone, or like buy something you can write on, then make sure you put in 850-300-2628. And that's my phone number. Go comment video, go text me video ideas. I will not answer calls on the videos. I mean all these texts, okay? Peace.